We will continue with the heights and distances. Now here, from the top of a cliff 60-meter high, okay, we have a cliff which is 60 meters high. The angles of depression of two boats are 30° and 60° respectively. Find the distance between the boats when the boats are on the same side of the cliff. Okay, let's take the first part. The boats are supposed to be on the same side of the cliff. Let this be boat A and this is boat B. And the angles of depression from the top are 60° and 30°, right? So this is 30° and this is 60°. We have to find this distance, which is x. Let this be C and let this be D. So let this distance be y. So what we will do is, we will first take tan 30°. So tan 30° is equal to this upon this, that is 60 upon x plus y, right? So my tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to 60 upon x plus y. So if I cross multiply, I am getting x plus y is equal to 60 root 3. Fine. Let me leave it here only and take this triangle now. So I'll have tan 60° equals this distance height of the cliff upon y. Now I know that tan 60 is root 3 is equal to 60 upon y. So my y will be 60 upon root 3. So if I rationalize this, this will become 60 root 3 upon 3. So 3 20s are. So I got y as 20 root 3. So what I will do is, I will replace y here by 20 root 3. So x plus 20 root 3 is equal to 60 root 3. So my x will be 60 root 3 minus 20 root 3. So my x will be 40 root 3. So if I want to get the value of x, that is this distance, I will write this as x equal to 40 into 1.732. So that is 69.28 meters. So I have found this distance when the boats were on the same side of the cliff. Now he's saying that find the distance when the boats are on the opposite side of the cliff. Now this figure will change. Now this is the cliff and this is the reference line. This is the ground line. Here this is parallel to this. This cliff is 60 meters high and the angle of depression from this point to this boat, this time our boat A is here and boat B is here on the opposite side of the cliff, right? So angle of depression is, let this be 30°. So obviously this angle will be 30 and then this angle is 60°. So this angle will also be 60°, alternate angles, because this line is parallel to this line. So let this be C. Now he wants us to find the distance between these two boats. So let this distance AC be x and let this distance BC be y. Now we have to find actually x plus y. That means we need to get the value of x, then the value of y, then we will add both the values. So in this case, we will take this triangle, let this be point A, A dash, C, A. So my tan 30° here will be this side upon this side. So that is 60 upon x tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to 60 upon x. So cross multiply x will be 60 root 3. That means I got this distance, right? Now, in this triangle A-CB, we have tan 60, which is equal to opposite upon adjacent, that is 60 upon y. Tan 60 is root 3 equal to 60 upon y. Now this y will go here and root 3 will come here. So I will get 60 upon root 3. So if I rationalize this, I will get 60 root 3 upon 3. 320s are. So my y is 20 root 3. And what was my x? My x was 60 root 3. So how much is my x plus y? 60 root 3 plus 20 root 3 is 80 root 3. So you can substitute the value of root 3 here. So x plus y is equal to 80 into 1.732. So your x plus y will be 138.56 meters. Right? From the top of the hill, the angles of depression of two consecutive kilometer stones due east are found to be 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the distance of two stones from the foot of the hill. So this is hill, right? And from the top of the hill, there are two stones, kilometer stones. So this is A, this is B. The distance between A and B is 1 kilometer. Kilometer stones have 1 kilometer distance between them. So this is 1 kilometer and let this be C. So the angles of depression are, this angle is 45 degrees. So this will be 45 degrees. This angle is 30 degree. So this angle will also be 30 degrees, right? And let this distance be x kilometers and let this be h, right? Now we have to find the distance of A from C and distance of B from C, from the foot of the hill. So first I will take this triangle, and in this triangle I will have tan 30 degree equals h upon 1 plus x. So tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, which is equal to h upon 1 plus x. So if I cross multiply, I will get x plus 1 is equal to under root 3h. I'll leave it here. I'll go to this triangle, and in this triangle tan 45 is equal to h upon x. Now tan 45 is 1 is equal to h upon x. So my x is equal to h. So what I will do is I will replace this h by x here in this equation. So x plus 1 is equal to root 3x. If I shift this x to this side, I will get root 3x minus x. So 1 is equal to, if I take x common, I will get root 3 minus 1. So my x will be 1 upon under root of 3 minus 1. Now what do I do in this case? Rationalization. So 3 plus 1 upon under root of 3 plus 1. So my x is root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 is 2. So x is equal to 1.732. I am replacing root 3 by 1.732 plus 1. So upon 2. So my x will be 2.732 upon 2. So 2 1s are 0.2, 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12. So I got my x as 1.366 meters. So distance of this B stone from the foot of the hill is 1.366 meters. And if I want to know the distance of A stone from C, so A is how much far from C? 1 plus, because we will add this 1 kilometer distance to this, is equal to 1 plus 1.366 meters. So A's distance from the foot of the hill is 2.366 meters. Right? Okay. Here he's saying that an aeroplane at an altitude of 1500 meters, okay, aeroplane is flying at the height of 1500 meters from the ground, finds that two ships are sailing towards it in the same direction. So let's say that this is ship A and this is ship B, right? The angles of depression, okay, so when observed from the aeroplane, angles of depression are 45 and 30 degree respectively. So this entire thing will be 45, this angle is 45, so this will be 45 degree, and this angle is 30 degree, so this angle will also be 30 degree, right? Find the distance between the two ships. Now this distance x between A and B is something that we have to calculate. Let this be C and this is D. Let's assume that this distance is y. So let's take first tan 30 degree. What is tan 30 degree? Tan 30 degree is opposite upon this entire thing, that is 1500 upon x plus y. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to 1500 upon x plus y. If you cross multiply, you will get x plus y is equal to 1500 into root 3. This is my first equation. Let me leave it here. Let me go to this triangle. In this triangle, tan 45 is equal to 1500 upon y, right? So tan 45 is 1 is equal to 1500 upon y. If I cross multiply, I will get y equal to 1500. So now I have got y. I will replace the value of y in this equation. So I get x plus 1500 equal to 1500 root 3, right? So if I shift this 1500 to this side, it will be minus 1500, and then if I take 1500 common, I am left with 3 minus 1. Now my x will be 1500 into 1.732 minus 1. So that gives me into 0.732, right? So x is equal to 1500 into 732 divided by 1000. So 1, 2, 1, 2, this will go. Now we will multiply 15 into 732. Let's multiply. 732 into 15 is how much? 5 2s are, okay, we can even cut it. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are, then 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12. So I have 3 into 366. So what is 3 into 366? 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18 and 1 19, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 and 1 10. So my x is 1098 meters.